IKEA! Woo! I got giant cake. I'm so excited. Woo!
Should know better, cause you always do this to me.
Currently in the cooking section, not so much fun. Let's get out of here into the cool part. You actually want them as well?
These things are cute. What the dogs? Jane's a poopy head. Poopy head. Oh, wait. Almost got it. Oh, here comes poopy head.
Yeah. Here, Jack, we might need one of these.
4 will do.
4. Hello! Wait, take this. No, turn around and get me.
It's like an elaborate plan.
There was nothing elaborate about them. What is that? That's nice, isn't it?
Go.
That's nice, isn't it?
Oh, it's so beautiful. I've never seen something so beautiful in my entire life. Here, you get in there.
She doesn't have the upper body strength to lift herself up.
Okay, now you have to get in there just for it. Cause you're a gym buddy. Go on, say it. Mum, say it to the
I'm a
vlog.
gym bunny.
Say it again.
I'm a gym bunny.
Okay. Oh, I could have gotten there. I would have had so much more space. Oh, Jesus.
That scared the shit out of me.
Oh my God, we're almost broken. Okay, right, let's go.